Thousands of small businesses throughout Michigan will be affected by the Affordable Care Act. What do business owners need to know when it comes to small businesses? Hello and thanks for joining us. I'm Laurel Hassan. This is Comcast Newsmakers. Joining me now is the Business Outreach Coordinator for Michigan Consumers for Healthcare, Brett Williams. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Well, thank you. Thank you for having me.
So much confusion over the Affordable Care Act and who needs to do something and who doesn't. But what we do know is that folks who perhaps own or work for a small business may be affected the most and need to be making some decisions right now.
Yeah, there's a lot of misconceptions about what the Affordable Care Act and the impact it has on small businesses. So part of what we do is to help those businesses understand what are the parameters, what are the changes, and what do they need to be aware of, and how it will impact their business. So we go around the state to help people understand that.
And how will, in general, this new change in healthcare reform affect small businesses? We're talking really about what, businesses with under 50 employees?
Correct. There's a lot of positive changes for businesses under 50. For first time in history, a business can go to one location and look at multiple plans and determine what's best for their employees. And a lot of the businesses in Michigan would qualify for tax credits to purchase a product for their employees. Just in the Lansing area, we looked at, there's just under 40 different plans available to small businesses. And when a business, and people know who are business owners, it's not a 9-to-5 proposition for them. They spend a lot of hours. They don't have time to do a lot of searching throughout the different entities to find out what products are available. With the changes in healthcare law and the formulation of the marketplace, a business can go to one location and look at all the plans available to them to cover their employees.
We should also mention that there's a difference between a business with 5, 10, 15 employees and a mom and pop type business where maybe it's just the two owners that are looking for coverage, that they're going to be going to completely different places to get their health care. Is that correct?
Partially correct. Healthcare.gov is the online shopping place for the marketplace. There is a link on the website for individuals and another one for small businesses called the SHOP, which is an acronym, Small Business Health Options Program. But it's important to know who qualifies to use the SHOP portion of the website and who has to confine with the individual portion. Now, businesses who are family run, that don't have outside employees, they would use the individual portion of the marketplace. A business that has employees and that have an hourly or salary employee that don't have a vested interest into the corporation, they would use the SHOP market portion of this. Both of them qualify for tax credits if they're purchased through the healthcare.gov website, but the tax credits are different for an individual mother, father, family-run business or those that they have employees. So there are some very distinct differences, but it's one access point.
And then the SHOP marketplace, so very quickly, what exactly is that?
SHOP Marketplace, Small Business Health Options Program. It is designed for businesses to use an access point to buy health care that would basically show them everything available in their area for a business.
All right, well, that's simple and easy, hopefully, maybe. And I know that folks can also go and get some help navigating through this through your organization as well. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.
For more information on today's topic, you can visit consumersforhealthcare.org. Today's Comcast Newsmaker was Brett Williams, the Business Outreach Coordinator for Michigan Consumers for Healthcare.